On this video, I wanted to show you guys how easy it is to make an ear drawing with pen. Since my previous videos were about face features like eyes, nose and mouth, so I decided to make a video too for ears. If you can just follow my steps, you'll be able to come up with something a little bit realistic, something not too bad. So just watch this video to the end, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You will learn a lot from my videos. Subscribe to this channel. I post videos every Saturday. Subscribe so you'll be a part of this family. I'm using freehand for this drawing, but if you have the picture of an ear, you can use grids. Notice how I'm starting my base shading from the helix, because it's easier drawing from the top to the bottom. So that way the whole art will give me a kind of clue. And guys, I always get asked about the pen and paper I'm using. I'm using Chusco pen and needle point paper. I'm not promoting their brand, just that I love using their pen because it's easier for me. The blending, the way it blends to the paper, it's kind of conducive than the normal big pen I used before. So if you can get this Chusco pen, it will also serve, but for me, I just like using this particular pen. So you can get any pen at all. I made a video about the choice of pen you use. I'll put a link to the video in description. The first layer is going to be a rough scribble shading that is not too detailed, just to fit the work area. Then the second layer will be a little bit detailed to fill the spaces. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like the video and leave a comment. I post videos like this every Saturday. And guys, always remember to shade with low pressure. One thing you need to know about pen drawing is patience. You need to have patience to be able to achieve a realistic pen drawing. When I first started pen drawing, I was always in a hurry to finish an artwork, and it always affected the final look of my drawing back then. Okay guys, notice how I'm leaving these spaces while I'm shading. Those are the places where I'll add shadows and highlights to the artwork. That will give it more contrast look at the finish. I'll start adding details with this layer. At this stage, you need to be very careful, because any mistake at this stage will affect the final look of the drawing. This layer helps show the direction of the light, and it will help the person viewing the drawing to have a better understanding where the light is coming from. The direction of a light matters in a drawing. First of all, before you start making any drawing, you have to know the direction of the light. To know this, you have to consider where the shadow falls. If it falls on the left hand side, that means the light is coming from the right hand side. And if the shadow falls on the right hand side, that means the light is coming from the left hand side. But for this drawing, the light is facing the ear directly. Just imagine the light is coming from the viewer's eye angle. I'll just continue on shading this layer, leaving those white spaces I showed before. I will add another layer that will add more contrast and depth to the drawing. Now I'll be adding more pressure while shading to create a kind of dark tone. And I want to use this opportunity to thank my followers, those of you liking my posts and commenting. I want to say thank you to all of you. Your support has always been a great deal of encouragement to me and to this channel. So this is the stage I'll start adding the shadows and details to the highlights. So just continue watching, you see how everything will come together.